friends, do you hear that? Thump, 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 thump. It's my heart making music right here in my chest.
That's your heart, Benny. It's a super strong muscle that works like a pump to move blood to every part of our bodies.
A pump? Wow, I want to see it. Can we go inside and take a look at the Red River?
Ready, everyone. Magic shrinking. Now, look at all the sparkles. Here we go. Down, down, down into the tiny world.
Whoa, we're on a bubble raft. Look at those friendly red boats floating with us. Those are red blood cells carrying supplies.
Welcome to the Heart Pump House. Feel the rhythm? Squeeze and push. Squeeze and push. It's moving us through the chambers.
Next stop, Lung Station. This is where we pick up fresh oxygen. It's like a big breath of morning air.
Lobe. As the blood boats touch the glowing air bubbles, they turn from blue to bright, happy red. They're fully refueled.
We're on the high-speed delivery roads. The red arteries take us out to the toes and brain, and the blue veins bring us home.
Pop, back to normal size. The garden looks so big now. Our hearts are amazing for working so hard every day.
To keep our hearts strong, we just need to keep moving, eat colorful, healthy food, and get plenty of sleepy time rest.
Thump thump here and thump thump there. Heartbeats, music everywhere. Keeping everything just right. Pumping blood both day and night.